In a world where population growth, climate change, and sustainability concerns are reshaping the future of food, the livestock industry is facing one of its biggest challenges: how to feed animals in a way that's both nutritious and environmentally responsible. Traditional protein sources like soybean meal and fish meal, while effective, come with high environmental costs: deforestation, overfishing, and greenhouse gas emissions, to name a few. But the future is not bleak. It's innovative, green, and full of promise. A new wave of protein feedstuffs is emerging, offering sustainable, scalable, and nutritionally rich alternatives for animal agriculture. Let's take a deep dive into the most promising contenders reshaping the feed industry. Insects like black soldier fly larvae and mealworms are nature's ultimate upcyclers, turning organic waste into high-quality animal protein. Insect meal is gaining traction as a viable ingredient for cattle, poultry, fish, and even pigs. They're high in protein, amino acids, and fats, and can be produced with far less land and water than traditional crops. Meet spirulina and chlorella, the microscopic algae packed with 50% to 70% protein and rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins. These aquatic powerhouses grow in saltwater or brackish water, don't compete with food crops for land, and absorb carbon dioxide while they grow. Microalgae is a clean, green protein machine, ideal for reducing the environmental impact of animal farming. Often associated with meat alternatives for humans, mycoprotein, derived from fungi, is also making its way into animal feed. It offers excellent digestibility, a complete amino acid profile, and a low environmental footprint. With increasing investment in fermentation technologies, mycoprotein could soon be a common ingredient in poultry and aquaculture diets. Mycoprotein is a meaty solution without the meat, and it can be produced all year round in controlled conditions. As the plant protein movement gains momentum, pea protein is rising to fame. It's rich in essential amino acids, particularly lysine, and works well in monogastric animal diets. Imagine feeding livestock with protein made from air, gas, or waste. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. Single-cell proteins are produced by fermenting bacteria, yeast, or algae using substrates like methane or carbon monoxide. Companies like Callista and Solar Foods are pioneering this space, offering protein with a tiny land and water footprint. Single-cell proteins are revolutionary, renewable, and resilient, offering protein security in a resource-limited world. As the global livestock sector evolves, so must the way we nourish our animals. These alternative protein feedstuffs, whether harvested from bugs, brewed in bioreactors, or grown under the sea, aren't just futuristic ideas. They are today's innovations that can redefine tomorrow's agriculture. The adoption of these proteins isn't just about better feed, it's about a better planet. It's about feeding animals without starving the earth. With visionary solutions, supportive policies, and continued research, we are on the cusp of a new era in animal nutrition, one that is smarter, greener, and truly sustainable. Let's embrace the protein revolution, because the future of feed is here, and it's extraordinary.